Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a WhatsApp group read-only so that only admins can send messages. This is perfect if you want to share announcements without getting spammed in the chat. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and go to the group where you want to restrict messages. Once you're inside the chat, tap the group's name at the top. This will open the group profile and settings. Scroll down until you see Group Settings and tap on it. Here you'll see an option called Send Messages. Tap it and you'll get two choices: all participants or only admins. Select Only Admins and confirm by tapping OK. And that's it. Now only the admins of the group can send messages, while everyone else can read them without typing. This is super useful for important announcements or keeping the chat organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.